The term Nordic Cross flag describes certain flags bearing the design of the so-called Nordic or Scandinavian cross, a cross symbol in a rectangular field with the center of the cross shifted towards the hoist. All of the Nordic countries except Greenland have adopted such flags in the modern period, and while the Scandinavian cross is named for its use in the national flags of the Scandinavian nations, the term is used universally by vexillologists in reference not only to the flags of the Nordic countries. The cross design represents Christianity, and the characteristic shift of the center to the hoist side is early modern. First described the Danish civil ensign for merchant ships in a regulation of the 11th of June 1748, which specified the shift of the cross center towards the hoist as the two first fields must be square in form and the two outer fields must be 6/4 lengths of those. The Danish design was adopted for the flags of Norway and Sweden, both derived from a common ensign used during the union between Sweden and Norway 1818 to 1844. Iceland and Finland, some of the subdivisions of these countries, used this as inspiration for their own flags. The Norwegian flag was the first Nordic cross flag with 3 colors. All Nordic flags may be flown as gonfalons as well, flags of the Nordic countries. Note that most of these flags are historical or have not been officially adopted and the use remains limited. Some of the flags in this list do not have official status. Also, note that flag proportions may vary between the different flags and sometimes even between different versions of the same flag. Denmark official flags. Unofficial flags. Finland official flags. Private or unofficial flags. Iceland, Norway, Sweden. Nordic cross flags outside of the Nordic region. Baltic, Estonia, Latvia, Germany. Nordic flags in Germany were historically used to allude to the nation's Germanic heritage and Nordic origins. Nordic flag designs very similar to Denmark's, Sweden's, and Norway's national flags were proposed as Germany's national flags in both 1919 and 1948, after World War I and World War II, respectively. Today, the Nordic Cross is a feature in some city and district flags or coats of arms. Netherlands, United Kingdom. A number of modern flag proposals for localities in the United Kingdom are based on Nordic Cross designs, intended to reflect the Scandinavian heritage introduced to the British Isles during the Viking Age. Brazil. United States. Other ethnic flags.